kind of getting used to this.
Oh, shit! Son of a bitch.
Is this what these rides are like?
This is what they're like. Welcome
We're really
back.
trying to get something to break.
Grandpa, we got a call at the dealership the other day. The guy that we had done a trade deal with before, his neighbor, he was kind of the caretaker of these two cars. His neighbor passed away 4 years ago.
The guy that called me actually drove down 20 years ago with his buddy, which was in a wheelchair. So he went down with him. Found this car we're going to show you here in just a minute up on blocks with 2,400 original miles.
Oh my goodness.
2,400 original miles 20 years ago. They put the wheels and tires back on this car, and he freaking drove it home from Missouri all the way up here to Iowa Falls, Iowa.
Very cool. So fun. I'm anxious to see. Bought two from them. This one's really nice, low mileage.
And the other one kind of makes me think about you, bro.
It's kind of your special. Look good. It'd be one for you to sit in your robe and drink coffee and look at.
You would. You know
new
what?
robe.
In quite honesty, I think
see
Coyote
that.
Classics has bought a car in primer for about
many years.
many years, Dad.
Isn't this pretty?
Yeah, it is. All right, so this is one of them. The other one's outside.
Yeah,
your
this
convertible?
is 100%. This is original
Oh, look
paint,
at it.
390. Aftermarket cruise fit on it. It's got power steering, power brakes.
Don't you
Why would
like it?
Have a car for 40 years. I mean, I could see maybe a Shelby Mustang or something, but why would you put a 1967 Galaxy 500
Had to mean something to him.
up on blocks?
These the original rims that came with it.
Yeah.
Just look at them. You know, I mean, they're like what they used to do.
You
With
can't
big
even
blocks.
hear this car run. I'm just gonna fire it up quick for you. You can hear something here.
You can't even hear it run, Grandpa.
And he had the controls put on for his handicap.
Yeah, it's got the hand controls.
hand
Dad and I were having fun. We just drove it.
I was hammering on it. When you want to go real fast, you push the controller down. When you want to brake, you push it in.
It's got these old hand controls. They're probably worth something. We're gonna pull them off and try to sell them on Marketplace. That interior's nice too. So this is the nice one of the two. The guy's putting like a 6-speed with a gear vendor in this.
Oh wow.
We're putting a 1,000 horsepower LS and crazy
Supercharged.
crazy shit. He bought it and now he's just going berserk.
He's not gonna see this video, is he?
You probably will. He knows. He knows he's
How about
going.
his wife?
He knows he's going berserk. His wife might not.
Trade, a red eye. It's a Hellcat red eye. White car for like 60 value. So it's a 21 Challenger with like 20-some thousand miles. It's a red eye.
It's a Hellcat, right?
Yeah.
Hellcat red eye.
Red eye, which is
high
the-
performance.
How many miles, you know? Or I guess we should just look at the...
21.
21 or 2,000.
Yeah, I'm interested. What's he need for it?
He wants to trade 60,000 value towards our purple Cuda.
Sure, we can check out the Galaxy.
Yeah.
But I like that.
All right, Grandpa, here we go.
You almost can't even tell it's primer.
From the inside,
looks
I didn't
good.
know it was in primer.
Oh, it's sealer. It's not primer, it's a sealer. That's what the guy said. Original paint's a silver car.
Look at this, dude. Shit. What's that mark, your Grandpa?
It just says lower paint. They okayed it back in the day.
Yeah, pretty cool.
From the factory. But there's no paint there. You know, you should see the amount
Yeah, it
of
is.
parts that this guy
The seal
has
coat.
in his building. I mean, it's just dashes for Galaxies. I mean, just tons of parts.
This
You
guy
know, he
is
told
in
me
Iowa
you
Falls.
could probably buy all the parts from her. And I said, God, I wouldn't know.
Where are
what
we
to
gonna
do.
put the frickin'
We're out
parts?
of we got parts coming out of our ears. We still have parts from when you ran the
Yeah,
place.
that didn't work so well.
The interior's a little rough, you know what I mean? But it's not bad. What do you think on this doll? I'm kind of thinking 12,995.
I like it, dude. This one, I don't think we do our full thing too. Like, I don't think we need to go through and make all the lights work and do all that.
We can't.
I think we just keep it cheap, affordable. It's an awesome car for somebody that only has 15 grand to spend. They can buy something for 12, 13 grand and
a couple
enjoy
grand
it.
to do what they
Hell yeah,
And
enjoy
paint it
it.
the color they want.
Yes.
The only thing that really makes this difficult, Dad, is when we go ahead and we spend thousands and thousands of dollars and make all these other nice ones, everything work. They see this on our web at 12.9. I'm worried that they might still expect everything's going to work because it's Coyote Classics selling it. So
I know.
that's our worry.
They're all never done. No old car's ever
I
done.
understand.
So we'll go ahead and put this in our shop, and we could spend $5,000 pretty easily by the time we do a water pump and do this and this and this and this and this and fix this and that.
Because the water pump
Next thing you
weighs.
know, we still have a 12.9 car, but now we have 15 in it.
I like it. Let's try it. Let's just try to flip it. Sell
I
it as a
think
nice
it's a
driver
good
project.
Somebody's going to like it.
Absolutely.
Do you dare go for a ride? So this is our normal product prep kind of thing. Roll your window down. It's hotter than a freaking hot box in here.
Yeah, this is a little Jim Austin.
Look at this. Look. You like this, Dad? This would look good out. You could sit, like Dalton said, you could sit and have coffee and look at it out the window.
Just stare at it. Yeah.
Put the top down and hope that you make it across town.
At least it'd be a dependable driver.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know if I'd
we
go.
gotta be careful about that.
I don't know if I'd go as far as saying that.
I'll tell you what, we're not going to put that in the ad.
You don't think it'll start tomorrow, huh?
I don't know. We've only been with it today. Dad ain't scared. He'll put it right on the blacktop. Pour it out in front of a semi.
Yesterday, you know that same Chevelle?
That might be a good thing.
The same Chevelle that you had the rear end locked up on that went sideways. Well, they put a new rear end in it. So me and Blake took it out. I got here, there was a semi coming about like that. I come up first, second, third, fourth, just ripping the tires loose, going sideways.
Towards the semi?
Towards the semi, into the frickin' bridge. Blake was about ready to shit himself. It's always fun to live life
Yeah, it is.
a few seconds at a time, you know?
I told Lila she might get a call one day that I went off the bridge into the Shell Rock River. Might be my fate.
Well, I know all the
Some old
people that
jalopy.
follow us. I mean, they know that's possible.
That is possible. It's risky. It's risky business. Because a lot of these cars, we jump in, drive them for the first time. We don't know what we got yet.
Yeah, you don't know if it's gonna move to the left or right or turn
a
around
tire
in the
come
middle
off.
of the road.
So here's what I'm thinking on her. She's doing about 40. Don't know how much gas I got. It's not the smoothest ride, but it's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Here's the fun part. Ready?
Oh, he's using the hand controls. Dude, this car's actually not bad.
Price just might have went up. It actually cruises pretty decent.
Yeah, it's not a bad car. We got stoppage up here.
Well, we got brakes with this hand controls.
Not very good ones, but they work.
I think we could damn near make it to Allison if we had more gas. There's the hand.
We're gonna try to make this stop.
Man, I kind of getting used to this.
The interior is kind of shitty, but
Oh shit!
Ooh.
That's the
I just
problem with
stopped
using
using
the
the
hand control.
We about just went
When
right
you're
in
not
the
used to them.
son of a bitch. What do you think of that, Grandpa?
What'd we lose?
I don't know. She's still going.
Might have lost
Is this what these rides are like?
This is what they're like. Welcome.
We're really trying to get something to break. If they don't
hey.
break, then we're gonna sell it.
You know what? Seriously, I want if something's gonna break, I want it to happen on here, not on the freaking the customer's first major ride.
Because
I
this
mean,
customer might drive it just like this. You never know who you're selling it to.
I'll tell you what though, with
You're
this
selling
hand
it to a
control,
maniac.
This is maniac proof.
Maniac proof. We've tested it.
Yeah, you kind of like that, don't you?
well, I can't get full throttle with it. I feel like this is it. I'm wide open on the hand control.
Well, that's probably a wonderful thing for a guy with
Yeah, I'm not
no
gonna do that.
legs.
But that was tough to come to that full stop. I about went in that ditch with that hand control.
Grandpa, do you think it's worth more with the hand controls in it or without them?
It's handicap accessible.
Yeah, it does make a difference.
You know what? Maybe one of them.
In the competition
Those
of
on the
Galaxy
road, nice.
convertibles, it might be the only one out there with hand controls in it if we leave them in.
You know what? I'm not shitting you. It might be worth a shot because you might get somebody that never thought they could drive a classic car. You know what I mean? But could with the hand control.
Didn't know.
Honestly, it makes good sense.
You know what? I'm actually kind of liking it all. I think
Yeah.
we could have drove this home 40 miles.
I don't know if I'd go that far, but it drives good.
Yeah, it does. It really does.
I think I might have changed my mind. It might be a little more than a 12.9er.
Are we going into this corner kind of fast?
I got
is.
the hand
He
control
might, he
master.
might take out all 3 generations of Austins in one ride in a Galaxy. It's
Jesus,
possible.
that was going ahead.
Oh boy.
Son of a bitch.
Jeez, Chad. You got that guy scared to death.
He hasn't seen nothing yet. All right, I better get back to mowing my yard. Anyway, this was fun. I'm glad
That was
we
a
got
fun
an
effort. I'm glad you
opportunity.
stopped in, Grandpa.
Yeah, I am too.
Aren't you? Didn't this make your day?
Yeah.
Did it make you nervous?
Chad drives kind of fast.
Oh, these hand controls suck.
You don't need to use them. You could
But
use the
it
other.
idles like a dream.
It does. It's
Oh, it
not,
does.
it's
I mean,
not-
how about whipping that cookie out there trying to do that and shit was rolling around and it still idled good?
Yeah.
Hey, these are nice cars. You got some nice things.
Yes.
Well,
Thank you, Grandpa.
This ain't one of them, but I will accept that for the rest of the vehicles. Well, we made her. All right, that was fun, you guys.
That was fun. Thank you,
we're gonna
Grandpa.
get
It's
you
always
out.
good to see you.
I hate to tell you, but the way that drives, I say
Wouldn't
we
you
do the
hate
water
to go to
pump
the-
and maybe 14.9.
Yeah, dude.
Keep it under 15.
Yeah, we
Fuck
still don't have to get crazy with it, but it's a good car.
It is a good car. It's got a little rust underneath.
And I do like the looks of it. I wanted to steal these wheels and tires and put them on a different car, but
Good looking.
But they help the car, dude. You can't have a car and sealer and then have ugly wheels with it.
Yep. You got something here.
We made it back.
Is it 2-barrel?
yeah, 392 barrel.
Is the other one a 2-barrel?
The widow waited 4 years. You know, it's hard getting rid of her cars. But I'll tell you what, when we went in there, even the gentleman that helped us find these cars said, you know, she was just ready. She was rejoiced that we're able to go to a good home. And
Jim, you're good. What's up?
What was your thoughts on these two low mileagers?
I didn't look at this real close, although it runs like a top.
You took it out and drove it. I couldn't believe
Yeah,
it.
it runs like a top. He's had this one the longest, and he bought the other one like in, I think he said Southern Iowa, if I remember right, and they
Missouri,
drove it
yeah.
home with 2,000 miles on it. He's owned it since that 2,000 miles on it.
Isn't that
He's got
good?
33 on it now.
Isn't that awesome?
Jeannie said it drove like a new car. The guy had passed away 4 years ago, so these cars both been sitting for 4 years. So
I couldn't believe the gas in it
Yeah.
and stuff. This thing, we just
Yeah.
took it, and I use the hand controls all the way out and back. to the
sure.
ramp crash.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun. Yeah.
Grandpa hasn't been on a crazy ride like that, and he's rode a
little
lot
crazy.
of times with my wife in the driver's seat, and I think she's about as crazy
I
as
think
they
you
go.
should take him for a ride someday.
Thanks, Jim. Appreciate you. Have a good day.
Who do you think's driving makes you more nervous, Lila or Dad?
Can you imagine Grandpa in one of these test drives with me, like
I didn't
like,
know that
like that
went on.
Challenger or something
Oh, my
that we can
God.
just rip about 600 horse?
I told Chad a long time ago, we let the guy that's writing the check squeal the tires.
We're writing the check
Chad
first.
wrote the
But
check
I'm having
first.
fun.
Sure. Yeah,
You
you
know?
know. Yep.
And we got to make sure, we like to say, we like to make sure that if something breaks, it breaks
I
here,
do.
we fix it.
Seriously.
That's a good idea.
I mean, it's way cheaper here if we have a cam go out or something like that here than if a guy's in New York City paying $150 an hour. We can do it here a hell of a lot cheaper.
Because you know
and then
damn
have
well
somebody.
On our dollar, right?
the guy that buys the muscle car is going to drive it and get on it, you know, harder than we did.
Absolutely.
But at least that way we make sure it's...
Yep, he's going to try it out. That's for sure.